Corey White here with another day in the life of an EH&S consultant. Today we're going to be talking about Toolbox Talks. So a report just recently came out from the Association of Building Contractors, or ABC. They come out with an annual report, an annual safety report, and there's something that was pretty earth-shattering to me to see is frequency of Toolbox Talks. So in this chart here, you're going to see that you have your TI, IR, and your DART here, and that there was an 81% reduction just based on solely the frequency of Toolbox Talks. Okay, so monthly Toolbox Talks compared to daily, there's an 81% reduction. That's pretty mind-blowing. That's pretty staggering because a lot of people that I know and a lot of businesses I know, they do none. They do zero. They do absolutely no Toolbox Talks at all. They might do some safety training, but just think of like the opportunity cost there by not doing those things. So I think that's pretty earth-shattering when it comes to your Toolbox Talks. And if you can increase the frequency of those and increase the participation of those, I think I don't think it is going to improve your safety bottom line. So what I want to do is I want to go into and show you how I handle Toolbox Talks with my clients. So in Toolbox Talks, this is the Proact EH&S system. This is a safety software system I use in my consulting business. You can see here that I've been assigned some Toolbox Talks. And what I can do as an admin is I can come in and actually create Toolbox Talks. So these Toolbox Talks go out on a weekly basis, and we can keep track of how everything is going. So for example, I can click in to this, I can go into assign, and I can see the overall participation. So this is really important if you have a workforce that is out in the field. You can do it all via the remote device. Obviously, it's going to be ideal to do it in person, but maybe there's some stragglers that aren't around for that, and you can still get participation based on that. If you do it in person, what you can do, you can simply figure out who's there, click on who is there, and you can mark that as complete so they don't actually have to go into the system if they don't want to. So I think it's a pretty powerful way to make sure that you're actually getting participation in your Toolbox Talks from your employees. And it's an easy way to track. And the best part about all this is this Proact EH&S system. There's a freemium version of this, which just means they give one module for free. Toolbox Talks are one of those modules. So you can literally use this tool, just this module here, and what I just showed you for free. So let me know if you are interested in that, and I'll get you set up. But the data is clear. The data is extremely clear. If you use Toolbox Talks and you do it frequently, at least in the construction industry, you can see a drastic drop in your OSHA recordable lost time, severe injuries, etc. And I'm assuming in the general industry, I don't have the data, it's going to be the same. So use these tools, especially when they're free, to protect your employees. All right, talk to you later. Thanks.